those that don't want any kids in the future, why? 1. I don't want to worry about a kid for the rest of my life. I could never truly relax again. I just don't feel like being a parent and watching over a child. 2. Personally not interested in the stress, responsibility and dedication it takes to look after babies, toddlers and kids. If I ever do have kids I'll look after them, but right now and probably for a long time I don't see myself wanting to be around kids when coming home after a long day, then deal with a screaming baby which needs attention the entire time. Lame home. 3. Just not something I have ever wanted. Believe it or not, there are just some people out there who don't have a parental instinct. 4. Because I like peace, quiet, cleanliness, free time and last but not least, money. 5. I have no maternal instinct toward kids. Nothing makes me want to hold a baby or play with a toddler. I don't find a child laughing or a baby cooing adorable. I also have anger issues and I refuse to put a kid through what my dad put me through. Gotta break the cycle somewhere. 6. Kids are annoying. I don't have the patience. I also have lots of issues. I would probably snap and be abusive in some way. Unfortunately, I'm better off without kids.